I'll show you the way to go. Tell me what you wanna know. No need to rush, just take it slow. Let it all out, just lose control.
Lips. So to start off, I'm going to moisturize my lips, and I really do love this lip jelly. It's by Jordana. It's the best lip jelly I've ever used. So if you want to try it out, I don't know where you can get this, but hey. So guys, let's talk. I cut my hair. My hair is a mess. I don't care. I'm starting all over again. The world is a mess already, so there's no harm in starting everything at fresh. My hair is TWA now, and yeah, I'm natural. Before I used to be permed, relaxed, however you want to call it, but now I'm natural. So today's makeup is going to be a very soft glam look, and very simple, very easy to achieve. It doesn't take too much time. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, and I will do my brow. So I like to use my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and mostly I don't like to talk when I'm doing my brows, so just to watch me do my brows. I'm going to use my Rimmel brow pencil. If you've watched my tutorials, you know I love Rimmel brow pencil. So this is the brow pencil that I'm going to use, and this is in the color black brown, and I also use the dark brown to shade in the brows. And so yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do the brows. For my foundation, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm making sure it's well blended into my skin. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro HD concealer, and I'm going to highlight my face. The color of the concealer that I'm using is Warm Honey, and I'm using that underneath my eyes, my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything together. And next, I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm also going to use that underneath my eyes, my chin, and my nose, and on my forehead as well. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Mask Stick, and this is Espresso, and I'm just going to use a little bit here, and there, and then I'm just gonna blend everything together. I'm using that powder foundation from the Naked palette to tone down everything, and it's gonna bring everything together. Guys, because I don't want to leave my powder on for so long, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder, and I'm just gonna clear up everything. set my face, I'm using my MAC setting spray and I'm spraying it all over my face, and this is gonna bring everything together. So guys, onto my eyelid, I'm going to use this shade from my Morphe palette and I'm just gonna blend it. This is a very soft glam look, so I'm not really going for anything too harsh. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade. It looks kind of orange, and I'm also gonna blend that on my eyelid to make the eyes pop a little bit, but I'm just blending that on the lower lid as well. And yeah, I'm not gonna use too much of this. And to make it a little bit smoky, I'm gonna use this brown shade from the same Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna dab that on top. So guys, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. On top, I'm gonna add my Golden Glam color from my L'Oreal Glam palette. Then I draw my ring liner using my Tattoo pencil. I got this pencil from Sephora. I did my lashes off camera, so just to let you know, everything that I'll be using in this video will be listed in the info section. So right now I'm using my Milani lipstick in between my lips. I'm just trying to achieve an ombre effect. And on top I'm adding my lip gloss that I got from Sephora. So the name of the lip gloss is Sephora lip gloss. So yeah, underneath my eyes I'm using that orange color and I'm just trying to blend it, making sure that it's well blended and it's giving me a smoky effect. For my tear dot, I'm using the silver color from my L'Oreal Glam palette, and I'm using that. So guys, yes, we've come to the end of the video. This is the final look. I actually love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and also turn on the notification button for more videos like this. Stay blessed and stay safe.